I'm Hannah Pedro, 21 years old, and I am a credentialed student at Baliwag Polytechnic College of Baliwag, Bulacan. And ang availability ko po is Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, 6 to 3 po ako available. And yung name sa mga kakilala kong applicant sa Villa Concepcion is si Ate Ella, Ate Angela, si Kim, si Erica po at saka si Cha. And yung basahan ng mga amenities and services. Discover Villa Concepcion Wet and Wild Waves Incorporated. It has 200 square meter wave pool main, covered wave pool annex, covered pool and kiddie pool, 3 pools with slide, open during summer day tour only, wave pool annex be closed in 2024-2025, chapel, garden for receptions, team building area, fun rides, cottages, tree house, air-conditioned rooms, air-conditioned function halls, open-air pavilion, souvenir shop, playground, videoke, bike lane, basketball court, and billiards. Basahin ang our friendly reminders to all biogas mula swimming attire hanggang team to enjoy your stay. Friendly reminder to all biogas swimming attire, please wear proper swimming attire. Ladies, swimsuits, white shirt, garterized short, rash guard. Gentlemen, white swimming trunk, white shirt and garterized short and rash guard. Not allowed is long short, collared shirt, long pants, clothed with button and zippers. Lifeguard should ask who are not in proper swimming attire to leave the pool immediately. Swimming shower before swimming and after using the restroom. Please use the pool wash before entering the pools. For your safety, no swimming alone, no diving, no running, no horse playing, no pushing, no swimming beyond the safety. Swim only at the depth that you can manage. No extended breath holding underwater. No eating, drinking, and smoking in the pool area. Never bring breakables. No throwing of stone or hard object in the pool. Never act as if drowning. No spitting, spouting water, or blowing one nose in the pool. For the safety of all guests, persons with skin disease, open wounds, and other contagious disease are prohibited from using the pool. Do not swim if you have heart, lung, or other disease. Strictly no swimming during training hours. Check the depth of pool before swimming. Children should always be accompanied by adults. For safety reasons, strictly no swimming during lightning and thunderstorm. Slide A annex only. Always listen to the instruction given by the lifeguard. No sliding when there is no lifeguard at the tower. Wait for your turn. The lifeguard will signal if it's time for you to slide. No pushing. No running along the step. No eating and drinking at the slide tower. Children and non-swimmer are not allowed. Drop off Annex A adult pool 5 feet. Annex A teen pool 3.5 feet. Annex A kiddie pool. Children should be accompanied by parents, guardian to advise the lifeguard that the children has permission to slide. Cleaning hour 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. and 2 a.m. to 8 a.m. We implement strict operating hours to give way for cleaning of our facility so that we can serve and delight with food and drinks. You may bring in cooked food or drink inside the resort except alcoholic drinks. Those who attempt to bring in alcoholic drinks shall be asked by the management to surrender the beverage. If refused, we have the right to ask you to leave the resort without refund. Those who consume alcohol outside the resort premises can no longer earn them. Food and drinks are prohibited in the pool area. Bottle or breakable items are not allowed. Sharp objects such as knives are not allowed. Have your pool slide and your clothes cleaned at home. The management shall not lend sharp utensils to guests for security reasons. Flammable items such as portable cookware, gasol, shulane, LPG, supercalat are not allowed. Fast food deliveries are allowed. Grills are provided per area. Please do not move the grill. Kindly share the grill with other guests. Should you bring your portable grill, please place it in the grill area only. No grilling beside your cottage. You may wash your eating utensil in the sink provided per area. Please clean after use. Others, for further safety, we do not encourage the bring in or pet, especially during summer. Improper behavior is strictly prohibited. The management has the right to ask guests to leave the resort. Likewise, the management has the right to refuse the entry to guests who may cause inconvenience to other guests. Drugs, firearms, and other deadly weapons are strictly prohibited. Loud music is not allowed. Electrical appliances shall be charged 50 pesos per appliances. The management reserves the right to conduct body and baggage inspection for guests. Do not litter. Please dispose your garbage properly. Trash cans are provided. Please secure personal belongings. Management is not liable for damage or lost item. Report lost and found item negative for incident report. Unclaimed items shall be disposed after 30 days. Do not enter restricted area as marked as employees only. Parking. Parking areas Annex A only. Parking is free. Get vehicle pass. First to come, first to park. We cannot save parking space for guests. The management is not liable for any loss or damage to your property. Videoke. Fill out rental form at Nico Souvenir Shop. Rent 1,000, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. or 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. Deposit of 500 is required for the songbook and microphone. Deposit is non-refundable if item get damaged during use. When renting as the Villa Concepcion Wet and Wild Waves Incorporated stop to test the microphone, television, and keys. One microphone only per video. The songbook shall be handled with care. Tolerable volume only. Standard volume shall be set by the BCWWI staff. Never move the videoke and pin and unit anywhere you prefer. Always ask the assistance of our staff when technical problem occur. Never try to repair the machine. Turn off after use. Turn microphone and songbook at the ticket book together with the sign form to get a deposit. Basketball. Basketball court is 200 per hour and basketball or ball is 100 per hour. Basketball court with base basketball is 300 per hour. Being ball outside the basketball court is not allowed. Return the ball after use. No refund or deposit for damaged equipment. Free use of optical course, maximum of 2 hours per company. Reservation is required to check time availability. Take you and enjoy your stay. Tanong sa exam at sagutin number 1 to 17. Number 1, 12:30 PM na hindi po maalis ang check-in guest sa standard 10. Ang gagawin ko po sa approach ko po yung mga naka-check-in po sa standard 10 and ask if ready to go na po sila, and if okay naman na po, i-advise na din po na kailangan na din po kasi nilang mag-check out kasi hanggang 12 lang po yung time na para po sa kanila kasi kailangan pa rin po linisin and disinfect po yung room para po sa next pong gagamit. Number 2, wala pa ang napalitan mo ng duty. Ang ask ko po sa office if inform ko po sa office na wala pa po yung kapalitan kong duty, and ask ko po if we can call her or him para po at least aware po ako kung kaya ko po mahihintay pa po ba siya ng kung ano po siya mahihintay, ganun po, para syempre po para aware din po ako kung ano po ba ang dapat gawin. Kung mag-voice me parang nalulunod pero parang tumatawa sa kanina pa makulit sa pool. Kung ako po masaktuan ko po mismo yung nagkukulit sila or parang nag-play po sila ng parang nalulunod, siguro po sabihin ko po sa lifeguard na pagtuunan po nila ng pansin. And alam ko naman po i-wash over naman po nila yung mga batang or maglalaro po ng ganun. Next is, sa tingin mo ay hindi mo matapos ng oras ang isang gawain. I-inform ko po sa kapalitan ko or sa office po na meron po ako unfinished task na para po aware din po yung kasunod ko na meron po akong unfinished task, and kung carry naman po na pwede pong siya yung gumawa and pa siya magtuloy, if onti lang naman po, para siya aware din po siya. May isang guest sa palagi may nakinom. Gagawin po ito, i-observe ko po muna if talaga po ba nakainom siya, kasi baka po kasi gano'n lang po talaga siya mag-up, gano'n. So parang nakakahiya naman po if masyado ko siyang i-judge agad na nakainom siya, if gano'n naman talaga siya. So if na-confirm naman po na nakainom siya, siguro sabihin ko po talaga siya sa management para po siya po, yung management po yung maggumawa po ng paraan or siya po yung sa guard or sa tao pong naka-assign po doon para po sa mga tao pong maana ng alcoholic, and kapag talaga po napatunayan po na nakaalis sila, para sila din po yung bahala pong magpaalis kasi kasama naman po yun sa friendly reminders na pinirmahan po nila. Number 60, dahil nagsabay-sabay natin ng guest, humahaba na ang pila sa ticket booth, mainit na po ng guest na ina-assist mo kasi daw mabagal ang servisyo. I-upload po at papaliwanag ko po ng maayos na kailangan po talaga dumaan sa process or dumaan sa ticket booth kasi hindi po sila makaka-enter sa resort if hindi po sila dadaan po sa process ng ticket booth. And papaliwanag ko din po na hindi po mabagal ang service namin, and sabihin ko din po agad na sadyang na double lang po yung volume po ng tao dahil nga po summer, and yun po, explain ko naman po ng maayos at approach ko naman po sila. Next is, you have been assigned as a telemarketer, phone reservation officers. Means, kausap pa sa phone, tapos nag-ring ang isa pang phone. Wala kaibang kasama dahil naka-break sila. Ang gagawin ko po dyan is, it's either hihingin ko po yung details nung una ko pong katawagan, and advice ko po na kung okay lang na tawagan ko po sila ulit mamaya. Tapos kukunin ko nga po yung details. Tapos, saka ko po sagutin yung isang call. And kapag hindi naman po ganun ka-importante yung sinagot yung isang call, yun po, bubaba ko po siya, saka ko po tawagan ulit yung isang call, or i-hold ko po yung call ng unang tumawag, ganun po. May dalang alak ang guest, wala naman doon na sabi na bawal magdala ng alak nung tumawag sila. Na-explain ko po na possible po kasi na nakalimutan lang po ng tumawag sa kanila na i-advise na bawal po yung mga alcoholic drinks. Ipapaliwanag ko po sa kanila na yun po yung pinaka-rules na bawal po ang mga alcoholic drinks. Para po bago po siya mag-enter sa resort, at least aware po siya na bawal yung mga alcoholic drinks. 9, may dumating na guest na nagsabing may bliss tayo sa check-in guest natin. Ang pinaka-ano ko po dito is, first po, isa-ask ko po yung naghahanap na guest na tawagan na lang po yung hinahanap niya para mismo po yung guest yung lumabas. And if hindi po niya makontak, siguro po ako mismo or may isang aasahin po na puntahan yung guest para kung tanong kung meron po ba siyang na-expect na bisita, gano'n po, para ibas din po ng gulo, parang gano'n po. Kasi baka mamaya hindi naman po siya totoong naghahanap ng guest or baka may masama na siyang balak. So parang at least aware yung guest na may gano'n naghahanap sa kanya para maiwasan din ma-report niya sa dapat i-report, gano'n. May tumawag at hinahanap ang co-employee. Hihingin na lang ang sample number na co-employee mo. Ang pinakang gagawin ko po talaga dito is hindi ko po bibigay yung number po nung co-employee kasi respect na rin po sa privacy niya. And bakit po kasi ako, in the first place, bakit po kasi tatawagan ako kung pwede naman yung co-employee ko po yung tawagan niya instead na ako. Yun. May dumating na guest, kinakausap ko ng isa sa kanila. Nagpa-reserve siya na isang Dahlia Cottage. Pero pagtingin mo sa reservation for that day, wala ang pangalan niya. I-check ko po muna if kung may naka-reserve pong iba sa Dahlia sa cottage po na gusto niya. And if wala naman po naka-reserve, ibibigay ko naman po yun sa kanya. And kung meron naman po naka-reserve sa Dahlia na pina-reserve na, advice ko po siya na may alternative naman po and same room din naman po yun. Magkaiba lang po ng number, ganun po. 12, occupied na ang lahat ng cottage sa room at function hall. May dumating na guest. Ask ko po sa guest if okay lang na advice ko po sa guest na full book na po tayong lahat, and ask ko po siya if okay lang if dun sila mag-stay kahit saglit dun sa mga goma-goma po sa mga grid-grid, if okay lang naman po sila. And kung hindi, sabihin ko lang din po talaga na wala na po talagang available cottage. May lumapit sa iyo na nawawalan mo siya ng tsinelas. Ang report ko po hingan ko po ito ng incident report sa ticket booth para if ever po na may mga tao po, mga guests na mga buting loob na nakapulot po ng tsinelas na hindi kanila, for sure naman po ay dadalhin po nila yun sa ticket booth para at least po may mag-sorry po at pag may nag-sorry po, makukuha nyo po yan at hingin ko din po yung details. Next is 14. We recommend reservation to be made day prior to be given by swimming guests. 4 PM na mapag-desisyonan nila na mag-extend sila hanggang night swimming. Ano ang gagawin mo? 3 or 4 step. Una ko pong iyan is ask ko muna po sa office and titingnan ko po kung may naka-reserve po ba sa ina-occupy nilang cottage or room. And next po is ha-advise na possible na maiba yung room or cottage nila kapag may naka-reserve po doon. And next po is hihingan ko po kapag okay naman po lahat na wala naman po naka-reserve po doon, hihingan ko na lang po sila ng another payment and another entrance. Incoming call inquiry regarding a private pool for 100 guests. I-inform ko po sila na ang Villa Conception Wet and Wild Swigs Resort ay hindi po private resort. So pwede ko pa ang i-advise ko din po sa kanila. Pwede naman po sila mag-occupy ng 100 guests. Kaso nga lang po, is dito private resort. Next is incoming call inquiry regarding direction how to go BCWWI. I-ask ko po sa kanila and sabihin ko po sa kanila na they can search us at Waze at Google Map po para mas maayos po yung direction na makukuha po nila. Next is incoming call reservation for 1 cottage day, swimming, 5 adult and 8 children, 2 senior citizen and available in character 310, Dahlia 7 at sa pagitan ng marirecommend mo at bakit. Ang marirecommend ko po is yung Dahlia 7 kasi po ang Dahlia na meron po siyang room and fan, so yung mga children and senior citizen po is makapag-rest po sa kama or papag po na provided po ng Villa. And mas maganda po yung Dahlia 7 kasi mas malapit siya sa pool, hindi na po kailangan maghagdan at mas safe siya sa mga children kasi ma-watch over siya ng mga guardian nila. At I'm Hannah Pete Ohas.